Hi, kindergarten friends. It's so nice to see you. Today in phonics, we are going to again look at the shapes and the formations of letters. Yesterday, you sorted short and long letters, and today you get the opportunity to simply write around a letter. Did you see which letter I did? I had a little C curve, a little line, and then another little C curve around. So I wonder, how would you make that the way you saw it? A little C curve, a little line. That looks like A, doesn't it? But I also added another little curve, and this one is tricky because you have to set it in a certain way. And I need to make sure that that looks proper upside down to me. This is a G. The G is the letter that you are going to be looking at today, and you are going to trace a little C curve, a little line down, and then another little C curve. G says G. That is a long letter. Do you have any long letters in your name? I know I do. And as a matter of fact, I have this, which I was going to show yesterday in writing. So if you are going to write using the top line, the midline, and the bottom line, you are going to write a G. Let's find a better way to do this. You could write it like this. Little C curve, little line down, and then another C curve. G says G. And I think about my name, and I have a G in there. However, I can also think about this, how I write my letters. Big line down, big line down, big line down, big line down. There's M, then an S. Little C curve, another little C curve, and then a dot. Then I have big line down, line across, little line down, and around. A and G, E, L, A. I only have one long letter. How many long letters do you have? There are not that many in the alphabet. We talked about this yesterday, looking right here at this. There's G, J, P, Q, and Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. That's not very common to have those lower letters. So today, when you are doing your seesaw activity, even though it's asking you to simply trace the lowercase letter G, I want you to think, do you have any little C curves in your name? Either this way or that way. Kind of looks like the curve in my hair there. Do you have any short lines? Do you have any tall lines? And when you write those letters, do you start at the top? That is where you should start. So please enjoy doing rainbow letters again with the letter G, and I will look at your work. Thank you. Have a great afternoon.